Chapter 25, Creating Databases for Inventory and Tool Control. Now that we already have the database and Firebird installed on our system, the next step is configuration. It is important to highlight that the system works under a unified logic. In other words, regardless of the module we use, the database creation process follows the same structure. Within SVISION, there are specific databases for each module, including Inventory, Tool Control, Requests, or the Maintenance module, as we saw in Chapter 2. Even if the name or purpose of the module changes, the technical procedure is identical in all cases. For this example, we will use the Inventory suite. At this point, we use the previously established base configuration. It is not necessary to modify advanced parameters, since the database already has a default configuration. We assign a name to the database. Remember that this name must be short and without special characters to ensure compatibility. We continue the process by selecting Next and then Finish. Once completed, we will be able to view the newly created database within the system. This result is the same as the one we will obtain in any of the modules. Done. From this point on, in the following chapters, we will simply start from this screen with the database already created. This will allow us to focus directly on the configuration and specific use of each module to optimize both the process and learning within the system.